Hey guys, I'm Miss Schaefer.
Hi, I am Miss Riggs,
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Echeverria, and
and
we're
we are
your
your
Link
Link Crew
Crew
coordinators.
So, you might be wondering what Link Crew is. It is a group of 11th and 12th grade student leaders who are going to mentor freshmen to help kind of set the tone, help that transition into high school. If you remember back, going into high school from middle school was a little difficult, a little rough. And so we're going to try to make that a better experience for the incoming freshmen next year. And one of the big things that our focus is going to be is building community. So Ms. Riggs is going to tell you a little bit about why you were chosen.
So you're probably wondering, what is a Link leader? Well, first of all, you were nominated by a teacher who thought you were pretty awesome. And you're probably going to be in 11th and 12th or 12th grade next year. If you are chosen through this nomination process, you are going to represent a variety of social groups with different high school experiences on campus. You're also going to become a positive role model for our freshmen. And I think that you will have the opportunity to make a difference in your community. And I think that right now, more than ever, during this COVID-19 is a time when we really need to support our future freshmen. So you have an opportunity at that. And now Miss Schaefer is going to tell you a little bit more about what Link Crew is going to do.
So to start off with, we are going to ask that you are available in the first week of August so that you can be trained for 2 days to help facilitate and lead the freshman orientation. It's going to be 2 5-hour days. You're going to be fed. We're going to give you pizza. But you're going to basically be the leader in that group of freshmen, where you're kind of leading games and making sure that they feel comfortable and showing them kind of the BA way. Another thing that we hope that you're going to be able to do is be enrolled in the leadership class. If it doesn't work with your schedule, or if you have a lot of other stuff going on, we can still make it work, but being in the class would be, I guess, the best option. In that class, we're going to do like check-ins with freshmen, the freshman groups that we had during orientation, really build on our leadership skills and plan some fun events like tailgate for homecoming, or just kind of like mixers throughout the year, so that you get a chance to get in touch and work with those freshman students outside of class and outside of a school setting. And now Mr. Echeverria is going to tell you what your next steps are.
All right, guys. So we're super excited about this program, and we're really hoping that you guys all apply for this. So what you need to do is you should have gotten your form from your advisor. You need to fill out the application, and it's due by Friday. You also need to make sure that you fill out a time or pick a time for Tuesday. It's going to be a 30-minute time period for a group interview. There's going to be about 15 kids in each interview for about 30 minutes, all right? So make sure you set time aside for that. If you fill out your form and you go through the interview process, we'll let you know by late Thursday evening if you're chosen. So we hope that we all get to see you, and we're super excited.
Okay, awesome. High five. See you Tuesday.
Bye, guys.
Bye.